Hello everyone. Welcome to our video lecture today. This is Sriram to explain about TFTP or FTP upgrade backup. I am excited to have you all here. Today we are going upgrading the firmware on a network switch using TFTP or FTP. Now, you might be wondering why is this important? Well, firmware upgrades are crucial for keeping our network devices, like switches, up to date with the latest features and security patches. It's like updating operating systems on your computer or the apps on your phone. But how do I do it? That's what we are going to learn today. We will walk through the process step by step, and by the end of this lecture, you will be able to upgrade the firmware on your network switch all by yourself. So, let's get started. So, now I am using the software which is like 3CD. It will be the open source. For my convenience, I am using the software. So configure TFTP. Let's open. So first of all, we need to create a new file. We can. I am giving the name like switch file. So in this 3CD, I am giving the directory for this file to save. Okay. Apply. Okay. Give IP address 192.168.0.1. Login into your switch. Enable to open the switch. Now, first of all, ping your laptop. Yes, it's successful. Now let's do the process. Give copy slash TFTP and give your IP address and source file name. I am giving as switch.bin, no destination file. As we created before, like switch files, so that's why switch file and the process is started. Here you can see this. Now the file has been created and you can see this as we given the path directory as switch file and we created a new file and this switch bin file is saved in the folder. This is the process.